this? Okay, stay right there.
That is great.
Stay right there. Okay, hold on. Let's get your toys. Stay. Stay right there. Look at me. Hey, no. Stop. Whoa, okay. It's 15 till 4. 15 till 4 a.m. 3:44 in the morning. I have 2 sets of keys because this is my car, but this is my rent-a-car. Why do I have a rent-a-car? Because Mr. Meatball has been asked to attend an event in Miami, which is 4 hours away. 4, 5, 6, 7. We can be there at 8 a.m. You want to go for a ride? Do you want to go for a ride? Oh, my goodness. Yes? I promise you a fun day. Filled with a lot of anxiety. I know. Filled with a lot of anxiety, but I'll take care of you. You'll be okay. Come on, let's get ready. It's okay. We'll be together. We'll be together. We'll be together, sweetie. I know. Come on. Meatball, you have a Toyota. Toyota has the word toy in it. We're gonna make this a fun day. We're gonna make this a fun day. In 2 minutes, the stoners are gonna be out. It's almost 4:20. How you doing? We have to get some gasoline. You know the rental agreement said no puppies in the car. I know. So don't shed. All right, get up here. You're gonna have to take a look at this. All right, let me show you. Let me show you. All right, let me show you. All right, so, hey, little boy. So here's where you are. All right, here's where we need to go. How many miles from Orlando to Miami?
Miami is about 239 miles from Orlando by car, or about 206 miles as the crow flies.
Okay, well, we're not a crow. What's going on? What do you see? Daytime. Daytime. Come on, let's go potty. Let's go potty. That's a good boy. There you go. That is a good baby. You know what? You get an A+. You get an A+. Oh, that's such a good boy. What do you think about Miami? What do you think about Miami? All for now? For now? go? Hey, good. It's good. Oh my goodness, look how handsome we are. Are you ready to do this? Are you ready to do this? It's good. Right here. Check yourself out. How you look? Oh, your tie looks very good. We're melting out here, huh? You're doing good, Meatball. You're doing good. Meatball. Okay, Meatball, are you ready? Come on, we're leaving. What'd you think of that movie, Meatball? Oh, scary wolves. Scary wolves. Ah, congratulations. You did good. Let's take off your stuff. You did good. You wanna go home? You wanna go home? Oh.